Here comes the cool, white-handed bracelet. Insert for crystal and for beads. Reinsert all beads. Make 3 knots. Pass the needle from one crystal and bead. Add 3 beads. Pass through bead, crystal, bead. Keep repeating. Reinsert all beads. Pass through bead, crystal, and bead. Add 3 beads.
Oh, the beauty she creates.
Reinsert all beads.
Every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides.
Keep repeating.
Where art and craft abide. From
Reinsert all beads.
jewelry fine.
Pass through the seed bead.
Her hands weave magic.
Repeat the
one
process.
thread at a time. A symphony of
Place the
color
single
and
crystal
light.
between the beads.
A dance of beads on this crafting night.
Reinsert all beads.
Oh, the beauty she creates. With every stitch, every
Pass
thread
through the crystal
that
and
waits.
bead.
In her workshop,
Add the pearl in the
love
center.
resides. Where art and craft abide. From the quiet she finds her voice.
Add 3 beads.
A language spoken
Pass through the next
without
bead.
a choice.
Keep repeating.
Craft itself, a work of art. A reflection of her loving heart. Oh, the beauty she creates. With every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides.
Add a button, add 6 beads. Go through the beads.
Abide.
Add a whole bracelet. Go through the beads. Add 8 beads. Go through the beads. Add a whole bracelet.